Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 6 of exercise 9.5. Question number 6 says, using identities evaluate. They have given us number. We are supposed to find the square of 71, not by multiplying itself with 71, but we are supposed to use identities. Now how we will use identities for numbers? Let us start and use. Just watch it how I am going to solve. 71, can I write it as 70 plus 1? Right? 70 plus 1 will get 71. And 71 whole square. So 70 plus 1 whole square I will get. So I got in the form of a plus b whole square. And now what is the identity? A square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. 70 square will give me 7 sevens are 49 and 2 zeros, plus 2 sevens are 14, that is 140 into 1 will give me 140 plus 1. So 4900 plus 100 will give me 5041. 5041 is my answer. When you will solve 71 into 71 in calculator, you will get the same result. Moving to 99 square. Now it is not necessary you do 90 plus 9. You can also do 100 minus 1 whole square. 100 minus 1 will give me 99. So 99 square. Now I got a minus b whole square formula. For that I will use a square minus 2a into b plus b square. 100 square will give me 10,000 minus 2 into 100 will give me 200 plus 1. 10,000 minus 200 will give me 9,800 and plus 1 will give me 9,801. This is my answer. Very easy. Moving to the third part. Third part is 102 whole square. That I can write it as 100 plus 2, that will give me 102 square. Using a plus b whole square identity, I will get a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. 100 square will give me 10,000. 100 2s are 200, 2s are 400 plus 4. So 10,404 will be my answer. Hope you are getting how we can solve numbers if they have given us. Moving to the fourth part. Fourth part, the number is 998 square. Now 998 square, I can write it as 1000 minus 2 whole square. Now 1000 square, that is a square minus 2a into b plus b square, right? That is 2 square. So 1000 square will give me 1 and 6 zeros. That means I will get 10 lakh. Minus 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, that is 4000 plus 4. First I will subtract 4000 from 10 lakh. sorry, 4004 directly I can do it. So 4000 if I subtract, I will get 9,96,000 if I am subtracting 4000 from it, and then adding 4 I will get 9,96,004. This will be my answer. Let me write it down the question. Next question is 5.2 square. 5.2 square I can write it as 5 plus 0.2 whole square. Now I can use identity, that is a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2a into b plus b square. 5 5s are will 25, 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, but point is there, so I will get only 2 because 2.0 will give me only 2, and 2 2s are will be 4, but 2 points which I have removed, I have to return back, so I will get 0.04. Now adding this, I will get 27, 25 plus 2, 27.04. This will be my answer. Now moving to the sixth part. Sixth part is having two numbers, that is 297 into 303. We can't simply multiply, we are supposed to use identity. So what I will do, I will write 297 as 300 minus 3 multiply by 300 plus 3. So now if you see properly, I am having a minus b and a plus b. B are same, a are same, and we have one identity, that is a minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square. This is the identity. So 3 3s will give me 9 and 4 zeros, that is 90,000 minus 9, and that will give me 89,991. So this is what we can solve using the identities. Remaining 3 parts I want you all to solve on your own. We will meet with new videos in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.